sound of an airplane would be somewhere around 150 decibels, and that may damage your ears.
然后在那个飞机的声音的话，它可能会制造出150 dB 的声音，那可能就会伤害到耳朵。
That's one way of measuring decibels that most people talk about. Okay, but if you're actually working with decibels in a digital audio system, then you'll notice that your decibels are negative.
就是我们通常在讨论到声音正常的声音的时候，就是都是正的。就是正的声音、正的数值这样子。那在我们在做混音的工作的时候，就是它上面就是通常就是会显示是负的。
These two things should not be confused. Negative numbers is actually decibels in something called full scale. Okay, and it's simply a way of measuring decibels in a digital audio station.
就是通常在数位音效的那个剪辑上面的话，我们的那个 dB 是从0开始，那0的话就是最大声，然后再慢慢往下降。
Zero is the absolute maximum volume.
就是
in decibels full scale.
就是在那个数位音效剪辑上面的话，它0 dB 是最大声的。
Typical volume for dialogue would be somewhere between -18 and -6.
然后在对话的范围的话，大概在-6到-18 dB 左右。
A very loud explosion that you hear in the movie, a lot of explosion, would be somewhere around, like -1 or -2 decibels.
然后就是比较大声的音效的话，就是可能在-1到-2左右的就是-1、-2左右 dB。
Something that we call ambience that we'll talk about a little bit later. Ambience, which is the sound of the atmosphere of the room, maybe some distant dogs barking, distant traffic, something like that. The ambience usually is somewhere around, -35 to -50. It's very hard. It's very, very low.
就是那个接下来就讲到是环境音，就是它大概是可能是远距的狗叫声啊，或者是一些就是鸟那个虫鸣声之类的，就是环境的声音，它大概是-35到-50 dB 左右。
Okay. So just to let you know, that's what decibels are. Most times when you hear decibels in the regular speaking, they're talking about positive decibels. Okay. But when we're talking about audio, like manipulating audio and doing sound mixing, when we talk about decibels, we're talking about decibels in full scale, which is negative numbers.
就我们在讲正常的那个声音的音量的时候，我们通常都是会使用正的那个 dB 数值去讲。那在数位音效剪辑上面的话，它出现的那个数值会是负的，就是它可能是-18到-6是正常的对话的那个音量的大小声。
Okay. Notice that this word is called full scale. So scale means some kind of measuring device. Like you step on a scale to measure your weight, right? This is also a kind of scale.
然后它就是 full scale 的那个数值，就是在数位音效剪辑上面的那个数值上面的话，就是以复数来表示它的那个音量大小。
You can think of, we have a scale, right? We have a certain scale. This is our scale. So if the wave is higher or bigger than the scale, it can't fit on the scale. Okay? So you can think of this full scale as a box, with here being the top at 0, and here being maybe this box can only fit in a certain amplitude of sound. If the amplitude is higher than that sound, it cannot fit in the box. That's how you can think of full scale, as a box.
就是它就像一个盒子一样，它就是一个就是有限制范围的盒子。那盒子的顶端的话就是0 dB， 那盒子最底端的话就是可能是-1、-2 dB 这样左右。然后它就是那个振幅就是不会超过那个范围。
most sounds will fit in the box. But if you improperly adjust your volume setting, maybe you turn up your microphone too loud, and you record the sound really loud, the amplitude of that sound is too high, and something like this, then what happens is your digital audio station cannot get that sound, cannot contain that sound in the box, and your digital audio station in Pro Tools, the sound ends up looking like this.
然后就是如果你们录到的声音是很大声的声音的话，然后就是超过它那个0dB 的范围的话，它就是会变成那个老师所画那个图示的那个样子，就是它不会就那个数位音效剪辑的软体，它不会截取到那个就是那个超过范围的那个声音的振幅，所以它就会变成就是很奇怪的形状。
We'll learn more about this in a few minutes, but if you record something improperly and it exceeds the level of your scale, then you will introduce clipping or harsh sound that is not natural. Okay, it will sound really bad. Basically, it will sound really bad.
就是如果是你们录到的声音是很大声，然后超过0dB 的话，那个声音就是可能会爆掉，然后会是一个很不好的声音，就是录到一个很糟糕的声音这样子。
We'll have an example of this when we do our recording.
我们等一下会有一个范例在录音的时候。
Okay. Now, the second way that we really talk about sound waves is through frequency.
然后第三个我们要谈的就是频率。
Frequency refers to the number of cycles per second, or how many wave cycles in 1 second. Okay, so basically, how fast the wave is moving. How many cycles of the wave in 1 second?
就是那个频率的话，它就是在讲那个它1秒钟那个声波的那个周期是有多少。那如果是低频的那个周期的话，它就是越慢，就是越长。那如果是高频的话，它振动的那个次数就会越快，所以它的那个波长就会更密集。
Okay. The higher, the faster the wave is moving, the more cycles per second, the higher the pitch of the sound, the higher the frequency, or the higher the frequency, the higher the pitch. It sounds higher to our ears.
就是比较高那个频率的那个声音的话。
I'm now going to show you what 20 cycles per second sound like. So if it has a measurement of 20 hertz, 20 hertz.
然后老师现在要给大家听的是那个，就是它在20赫兹左右的声
Which
音。
would mean in 1 second, so this is 1 second, from here to here is here to here is 1 second. We would have actually 20 cycles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but 20 of these.
就是20赫兹的话，就代表它1秒钟有振动20次，就是它的波数有20个。
Okay. This would be 1 second because there's actually 20 cycles of the wave.
就是它那个就是代表说20赫兹的话，就代表说它1秒钟有20个那个波长在动，在运行这样子。
Oh, sorry. Wavelength is measured in hertz. Okay. Hz, hertz. Which means hertz simply means cycles per second. So if we have 20 waves in 1 second, the wave is 20 hertz.
就是那个 frequency 就是频率的单位就是赫兹，那赫兹的话就是代表说它每秒振动的那个次数。
Let's listen to 20 hertz.